Okay, so today we'll go over how to deal with bifurcating premolars, aka fast break. Ultrasonic tips are critical to find the second canal because burrs can cut aggressively on a pretty small tooth, and troughing too much may potentially compromise the tooth. As you can see, first I tried going buccally with diamond ball tip, but as soon as I saw the white area, which means there's no more pulp chamber, I went lingually to find the lingual canal. If I made the same mistake with high-speed bursts, I may have potentially perfed. Without opening up the orifice, it's very difficult to see lingual canal in this case. Similar to how I do my root canals, I opened up the coronal third with 2504. It is extremely important to not push files as you may ledge, which will make your case a lot more difficult than it needs to be. Again, I cannot emphasize enough to not force files. I mean, you can unless you want to miss lunchtime. Anyway, I realized in this case that I was not able to get to length because I didn't open up pulp chamber enough for rotary to go to length. So I used sharp ultrasonic tip to carefully get the straight line axis, and as you'll see in the final x-ray, the lingual canal is also curved. So in this case, this is when I used the crown down by using a smaller rotary, which was 1704 in this case, to get the working length. And when the straight line axis was achieved, I was able to get the rotary file to working length, which was 25mm in this case, with copious ultrasonic irrigation, which prevented from dentin packing. Because of small remaining dentin thickness, I decided to finish the case with size 25 on both buccal and lingual canals. Both master cones could go in at the same time, which is not always the case with some bifurcating premolars, which made the obturation easier. I downpacked alpha to the bifurcating area, which is around roughly 14mm in this case, and then I used 35 nitide condenser to pack it down a little further down. On a side note, bifurcating premolar, you just see two canals, then a straight line with buccal and lingual. If it's trifurcating, which is hopefully something you never have to deal with, you have one canal and then the two canals either in buccal or lingually.